Have you ever stopped to think that a simple glass of water with lemon in the morning could be the secret that is missing in your routine? Many people believe that radical transformations require crazy diets or exhausting workouts. But what if I told you that this simple habit can trigger a series of surprising benefits? Imagine waking up every day and, in just 2 weeks, noticing more radiant skin, feeling lighter, and even helping to avoid those annoying kidney stones. That is the magic of lemon water. The truth is that many still underestimate the power of natural foods, and lemon, with its freshness and incredible properties, is one of the most powerful allies in the search for health. It is not just a refreshing drink. It is a true elixir of well-being. If you are looking for weight loss, more beautiful skin, and a sharp immune system, this could be the solution you have been looking for. Are you ready to discover how a simple glass of water with lemon can change your life? Drinking a glass of water with lemon in the morning is a simple but powerful practice. Many people underestimate the impact this small change can have on their health and well-being over the course of their lives. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated after hours of sleep, and lemon water offers a refreshing and tasty way to rehydrate. This habit not only helps prepare your digestive system for the day, but it also activates your metabolism, which can be a great ally in weight loss. Why not try starting your morning with this delicious drink? Additionally, lemon water is a great way to introduce essential nutrients into your routine. Lemon, on its own, is a rich source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and other compounds that promote overall health. Incorporating this habit can result in healthier skin and improved immunity, as well as providing extra support against colds and other illnesses. The beauty of this practice is that it can be done quickly and without much effort, but it has a significant impact on your quality of life. Finally, if you're wondering how to make this practice even more interesting, consider adding a little ginger or mint to your lemon water. This combination not only enhances the flavor, but also has additional benefits, such as improved circulation and a refreshing touch to the palate. So, now that you know how much this simple gesture can change your day, let's explore the next question. How does this habit impact heart health? Combining green tea with lemon juice is an excellent strategy for keeping your heart healthy. Many people don't realize that lemon is a fruit rich in potassium, a mineral that is essential for controlling blood pressure. With around 80 milligrams of potassium in a single lemon, this beverage can help maintain electrolyte balance in the body, which is essential for proper heart function. So starting your day with this concoction can be a crucial step in the quest for robust cardiovascular health. What's more, potassium not only regulates blood pressure, but it also plays a vital role in nerve function. This means that by ensuring you get enough of this mineral, you're helping to maintain efficient communication between your nerves and muscles, which is crucial for the overall functioning of your body. So those concerned about their heart health should consider including lemon water and green tea in their daily routine. Why not brew a cup of hot green tea and add the juice of half a lemon for a special touch? Combining healthy habits is one of the best ways to promote a strong heart. Instead of relying solely on supplements, focusing on proper nutrition and hydration can be the key to success. Incorporating lemon water and green tea is not just about taste, but a conscious approach to nourishing your body. Now that you understand how this drink can benefit your heart, let's find out how lemon can help with weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, a glass of lemon water can be a great ally in your journey. Lemon contains a component called pectin, which provides a feeling of fullness. This feeling is essential for those who want to avoid unnecessary snacking between meals. And if you add some chia seeds to your lemon juice, you can prolong satiety, further helping to reduce appetite and control calorie intake throughout the day. The magic happens when you start replacing sugary and high-calorie drinks with this refreshing concoction. Imagine starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water, followed by a healthy snack that includes fruits or vegetables. This simple habit can not only help you lose weight, but it can also make you feel lighter and more energized. You will notice that your body responds positively to this change in attitude. It is also worth noting that when you combine lemon water with a balanced diet and regular exercise, the results can be even more significant. Stay focused on hydration and make smart food choices, and you will soon realize that weight loss is not just a goal but a lifestyle. Now that you are more aware of how lemon water can help you lose weight, let's explore how this drink can also benefit your skin health. When we talk about skin health, drinking lemon water comes across as a true elixir. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the production of collagen. Collagen, in turn, is responsible for keeping your skin firm and youthful, thus reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving luminosity. Imagine waking up every day knowing that a glass of lemon water can contribute to healthier and more radiant skin. But that's not all. Lemon also acts as a powerful detox for the body. By fighting toxins, it helps prevent acne and other blemishes. A practical tip is to prepare an incredible juice with lemon, beetroot, carrot, and tomato. By mixing everything in the blender, you create a pink juice that is not only delicious, but also a nutrient bomb that can transform your skin. Add a few slices of cucumber for a refreshing touch and your skin will thank you. To further enhance the benefits, remember to keep your skin hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day is essential, as is maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you not only improve the health of your skin, but also transform personal care into a pleasurable ritual. Now that you know how lemon water can be an ally in skin health, let's talk about how it can strengthen your immunity. When it comes to strengthening the immune system, lemon water is a true ally. Rich in vitamin C, lemon is known to increase the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections and diseases. Incorporating a glass of lemon water into your morning routine can be a simple and effective way to give your health a boost. It's like a superpower that you can activate every morning without needing a cape. To further enhance this effect, how about trying a powerful shot of lemon, ginger, and turmeric? This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Simply blend fresh ginger pieces, lemon juice, and a pinch of turmeric with water in a blender. You can sweeten it with a little honey if you like. A small sip in the morning can do wonders for your immunity, helping to protect your body against colds and flu. And remember, staying well hydrated throughout the day is essential for your immune system to function optimally. Lemon water not only hydrates, but it also helps flush toxins from the body, providing a healthier environment for your natural defenses. Now that you know how lemon water can boost your immunity, let's explore how it also helps to alkalize your body. Although lemon has a sour taste, did you know that it can transform into an alkaline compound in your body? That's right. Once metabolized, lemon helps balance the body's pH, creating a less acidic environment that is more conducive to health. A balanced pH is crucial for the body to function optimally, as many diseases thrive in acidic environments. To take advantage of this benefit, a great tip is to prepare alkaline water with lemon. It's simple. In a pitcher of room temperature water, add slices of a fresh lemon and a pinch of salt. By drinking this water throughout the day, you're not only staying hydrated, but you're also promoting detoxification of the body. This is especially valuable considering that our Western diet can be high in acidic foods. In addition, alkalization helps fight inflammation, which is essential for preventing chronic diseases and maintaining vitality. So whenever you're about to reach for that refreshing glass of lemon water, remember, you're doing more than just quenching your thirst. You're contributing to a healthier, more balanced body. Now that you know the positive effects of alkalization, let's talk about how lemon water can be an ally in preventing kidney stones. The formation of kidney stones is a problem that affects many people, but did you know that lemon water can be a simple and effective solution? This is because the citrate present in lemon combines with calcium in the body, helping to block the formation of kidney stones. This is good news for those looking for natural ways to take care of kidney health and avoid the discomfort associated with these stones. To enhance this effect, the tip is to consume about 2 glasses of lemonade daily. Simple, right? You can prepare a refreshing drink by mixing lemon juice with water and a touch of honey to sweeten, if you prefer. This not only hydrates, but also provides the citrate necessary to keep your kidneys healthy. In addition, staying well hydrated is crucial, as water helps to dilute the substances that can form stones. However, as with everything in life, moderation is key. It's important to remember that while lemon water is beneficial, it's essential to balance your intake with other liquids such as plain water, to ensure adequate hydration. Now that you know the wonders of lemon water in preventing kidney stones, it's time to consider everything we've learned and reflect on how these habits can be incorporated into your daily routine. If you're interested in all of this and want to learn more about how to optimize your health, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. After all, knowledge is power and your body deserves the best.